Hi, thank you for the question. And I have decided to no longer promote this training. And I'm going to tell you why. But before I do, I want to let you know I'm very grateful that I came across this training because it did open my eyes that there is other opportunities that we can do instead of staying stuck in our 9 to 5. So I went through the entire training, but I ended up getting stuck, frustrated, and confused. That led to me quitting. A few months went by and I really wanted to do this, so I actually invested in a mentor. That mentor actually provided me all the answers I needed to continue to propel this business forward. As I was promoting this actually led to another problem, but the problem was here in my heart. I had to ask myself, how could I continue to promote this product and people opt into this and spend a lot of money and end up in the same place I was, stuck, frustrated, and confused. That's when my search began. I needed to find something that would provide the support, the community, and a roadmap that would propel my business forward. And I found just that. It provides a very clear roadmap for everything you need to build a business online. So if you're interested in learning more about what I'm doing now, go here, grab your free training.